Hi, first of all, a very warm welcome to this course of programming. This course is mainly about learning the art of programming, and we will learn this concept using the tool or language known as Python. Now, let's discuss what you can expect from this course. First, the programming is about problem solving. You are given some problem and you are supposed to break down the problem and come up with a step-by-step solution. And then these steps are translated into the programming language statements and finally combine these steps so as to have final solution. Therefore, programming is not just about learning the programming language. It is about to understand how to break down the problem, building the logical ability and reasoning. I have personally interviewed many candidates for the software engineer and even the technical leader position. Many of them had the knowledge in different domains, but as soon as we start discussing the basics, the problems start surfacing. Therefore, this course is designed to learn the programming along with programming language. How we do so, we will discuss in the coming slide. For now, let me introduce myself. I am Gulshan and I will be your instructor for this course. I have worked for about 20 years in the field of software development and I have played different roles in this field. Now coming back to this course will teach you the functional programming along with the examples and practical exercises so as to build a thorough understanding. It will also introduce you to the word of object-oriented programming. And we will also discuss different algorithms as we go through different examples and exercises. Another important point is that you may not find the content of this course in a conventional way. This course is designed to go step by step. Most of the programming concepts are based upon one another. Therefore, we have tried to cover the basics first, and once we understand them, once we come up to a level of understanding, then only we jump to the next step. Then we discuss the next concept. This course is not about just to tell you about the concepts. It is about experiencing these concepts. Some part of a particular concept may be skipped initially, which we do not seem relevant at that point in time, and we can come back to that later in this course. And in the last, it is very important to mention that this course is not a static course. We will keep on adding new concepts and features in this course so as to make it more thorough and relevant. Now let's discuss why we should learn Python to learn programming. A few reasons are there. First, Python gets us to the speed very quickly. As you will learn, you just need to specify what to achieve rather than how to achieve it. If you are coming from some other programming language domain, say Java, you may have realized that you need to specify a function and a static array of string, that is arguments, just to say hello world. In Python, it is not at all necessary. Second, Python is very easy to learn and it tries to go very close to the English language sometimes, as you will see this in the coming chapters. Third, learning Python, it opens the doors to many fields for you. For example, data science, web development, desktop application development. Now coming to the pedagogy approach taken in this course. First, we present a programming concept to you. Then we discuss some examples around that concept. And after that, you are presented some relevant programming exercises. Although the solution of these exercises are also given to you, but we strongly recommend that you solve these exercises yourself before watching the solution videos. An art, including programming, cannot be learnt unless we practice it ourselves. We need to get our hands dirty. Therefore, we suggest you to watch the solution only after you have solved these problems yourself. And we also suggest you to watch the solution videos even if you have solved the problems yourself. Why? The reason being that some programming tips and tricks, some programming conventions, some of my experiences are discussed in these example and exercise solution videos. Therefore, you may get some new and important information in these videos as well. As this point is very important, so let me say it once more. I highly recommend you to solve the exercises before moving on to the next chapter if you are really interested in learning the programming. And secondly, please do watch the solution videos even if you have solved the exercises yourself. So what to wait for? Let's dive in and get started.